Sonic memory, the neurological efficacy of 90s melodies in cognitive encoding. The intersection of auditory stimulation and cognitive performance has long been a subject of neuroscientific inquiry. While various genres are touted for their focus-enhancing properties, 90s Hindi pop, characterized by its distinct syncopation and high-tempo arrangements, offers a unique neurological advantage during high-intensity study. By aligning neural oscillations with familiar melodic structures, these retro harmonies facilitate a superior environment for information encoding and long-term retention. The primary mechanism behind this enhancement is the stabilization of neural oscillations. High-intensity study often induces cognitive fatigue, leading to erratic brainwave patterns that hinder focus. The rhythmic consistency of 90s pop acts as an external pacemaker, fostering neural entrainment. The specific tempo of this era, often ranging between 100 and 120 beats per minute, mirrors the optimal physiological state for active processing, allowing the brain to maintain a steady state of flow, even under significant intellectual load. Furthermore, the element of nostalgia serves as a potent catalyst for dopamine release. For many learners, the melodic structures of the 90s are deeply embedded in long-term memory. When these familiar chords are revisited, the brain's reward system is activated. This dopaminergic response not only mitigates the stress cortisol associated with grueling study sessions, but also heightens the plasticity of the hippocampus. Consequently, the brain becomes more receptive to new data, effectively tagging academic information with the positive emotional resonance of the music. In conclusion, the efficacy of 90s melodies in an academic context transcends mere preference. Through the dual action of rhythmic entrainment and biochemical reward, these compositions optimize the brain's architecture for information retention. By transforming the auditory environment into a stable, dopamine-rich landscape, 90s Hindi pop serves as a sophisticated cognitive tool for mastering complex material.